All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about what is Python and give you kind of a history lesson about Python, okay? So what is Python? Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. It is used for the following: web development, which is the server side or back-end web development, software development, mathematics, and system scripting. What can Python do? Python can be used on the server to create web applications. Python can be used alongside software to create workflows. Python can connect to database systems, and it can also read and modify files. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. And Python can be used for rapid prototyping or for production-ready software development. Why Python? Python works on different platforms, so Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry, Pi, etc. Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language. Python has syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming languages. Python runs on an interpreter system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is written. This means that prototyping can be very quick. Python can be treated in a procedural way, an object-oriented way, or a functional way. Python syntax compared to other programming languages. Python was designed for readability and has some similarities to the English language with influence from mathematics. Python uses new lines to complete a command as opposed to other programming languages, which often use semicolons or parentheses. Python relies on indentation, using whitespace to define scope, such as the scope of loops, functions, and classes. Other programming languages often use curly brackets for this purpose. So one thing that I want to add as a final dot on the period here is that Python is a very simplistic language from the standpoint of writing it. Okay, and why is that important? Because as someone that is a full stack developer now, but when I was starting, I focused more on the front end web development. And when I was writing JavaScript, I had a million syntax errors. So with Python, there's still errors, but it's not as many as JavaScript. JavaScript is extremely buggy and has a lot of fussiness. Python is very flexible and very workable for a beginner. So get excited, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.